Today has been good for the crypto industry, especially Bitcoin gaining over 3.50% rise in price, and Terra Classic have also increased in price, helping Terra Classic to recover from the recent loss. Okay, now I'm happy because Terra Classic, though the trading volume today is almost hitting $49 million, and the trading volume for Terra Classic today is about $48,109,557. Trading with the coins of about 520 billion, 114 million, 255,722 Terra Classic LUNC. Though if you want to compare this number to about last week, Terra Classic have really dropped because we saw almost 900 billion coins being traded on Terra Classic, and I think the trading volume was about $82 million, so it has actually dropped to $48 million. And if you want to also compare it to about 2 weeks to 3 weeks ago, Terra Classic trading volume hit about $281 million trading volume, with about 2.5 trillion coins being traded. 2.5 trillion coins being traded. So you see, this have really reduced for me, but I believe that they can still reach that level of hitting almost to $300 million trading volume. And though the truth is, as of earlier this year, the LUNC have actually hit a trading volume of $650 million to $680 million trading volume. And then the market cap was also trading at about $1.4 billion to $2 billion market cap, and LUNC was trading with over 10 trillion to 15 trillion coins trading volume in a single day. And I hope to see LUNC back in the days when they have been hitting almost $700 million trading volume. Right now, the trading volume is about $48 million. And even if you want to compare it to 2 weeks when they are trading with about $280 million, you see a lot of things have really happened. But despite this, Terra Classic have also maintained an increase in price. Okay, in the past few days, Terra Classic actually maintained an increase in price. So this is good for Terra Classic LUNC coins. So I hope that before the end of this month, LUNC will be back on high trading volume. They will be back with more market cap. Okay, and I believe they will soon hit a massive increase in price once the recent concluded projects start hitting ground, once the recent concluded projects start helping Terra Classic LUNC coin. And of course, new burning is actually loading. I believe we are going to burn billions of coins very soon. Once this is achieved, Terra Classic will definitely benefit from this. Remember, this is not the financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping.